The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The proclamations on awareness are clear by themselves and are beyond speaking. This is well known as the Tantra on effortless perfection. From the Great Tantra equal to the end of the sky, this is the first chapter, the basic scene. The self-occurrence of wisdom. Then the holy Sattva Vajra presented a request to Vajrasattva, the Blessed One, with these words: Secret heart of all the victorious ones, heart of hearts, most excellent heart, teacher of awareness, lord of orators, please take into consideration the threefold explanation of the essence of the three artis, that uses validations whereby we connect meanings to symbols, and then speak on the base, the path, and the fruit. Then the Tathagata Vajrasattva proclaimed these words: Great Vajrasattva, listen well. The Tantra that is equal to the end of the sky is the intent of all the contemplations of the victorious ones. It has given birth to innumerable victorious ones. I am not a professor of emptiness, yet the joining of words with meanings is dear. The nature of the uncontrived contemplation of the great perfection is to be methodical and bring results. We exemplify it, using a voice that speaks without contradiction. We do not confuse these three. The systematic presentation of the true significance of material things, the path where there is no seeking, our unchanging heart, and the results that occur by themselves that we do not work toward, for they are definitely equal and are one, but they are to be understood through three styles of explanation. The base, path, and result are the fruition of a wisdom that exists by itself. It brings a shining happiness to practitioners. Our thoughts dawn into a truly brilliant diffusion. The significance of the transmission, to the extent that definitions prevail, which is essentially where causes and conditions are definite, is entirely transparent in this wisdom that rises up by itself. It is not contrived and not created. It has been here since the beginning. It is not joined or departed from. It is perfect in itself. It is clear and undisturbed. A dominion that comes about by itself. A sphere of equanimity that appears to us, but is not to be conceptualized.